Welcome to our channel, ZETSAW. Today, I'd like to introduce pocket cutting R-50. When we use this blade, please put blade over on the material. That helps us do opening work without any prepared holes. Next, thanks to the blade on the back, we can cut the corner very well. This is suitable to do pocket cut. Please look at smooth opening work and check if the cut is angular with this blade. When you cut the corner, please make the power tool erect. If you put the blade over on the material so hard, the trace is left there. Alright, I tried using the blade. When putting blade over on the material, that decreases the anxiety to damage electrical wires because the blade length is 50 mm. The blade on the back can cut at a 90 degree. I'd like you to use pocket cutting R-50. Alright, this is the end of the video today. Please subscribe to our channel and like. Thank you for watching.